Hey everybody, it's your girl Chelsea and I'm back with another video. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. This is a heavy, glamorous makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to take is my NYX Pore Filler Primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face. This is going to make my skin silky smooth. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also make sure you guys turn on your notifications. The next step will be color correcting. I always like to color correct, and I'm going to use the NYX color correcting concealer in the shade medium, which is a peachy color. I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, around my mouth, around my nose, because I have dark marks from wearing glasses, which is mad annoying, but I'm trying to fade them. So yeah, anywhere you have dark marks or darkness on your face. Foundation time. So now I'm going to take my LANCôME foundation in the shade 520 Suede W, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. I applied way too much foundation, so you're going to see me blend it in with a foundation brush and then go back in with a big fluffy brush to blend everything out. So this foundation does come off a little bit orangey on my skin tone. However, when I go back with my big fluffy brush and blend everything in, you won't see as much orange and I won't look like an Oompa Loompa. And also, I don't mind having orange undertone foundation because I go back in with a cooler concealer that has a yellow undertone, so it cancels everything out. So let's go ahead with that big fluffy brush. It's my favorite foundation brush, and just buff all that into the skin. If I was to do that with the regular foundation brush, it would have took me a while because there was a lot of product on the brush and a lot of product on my face. So let's just blend it in with a big fluffy brush. Now it's time to conceal. I'm going to go with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my mouth. I'm going to take my second concealer, which is a little bit more cooler, so it has more of a yellow undertone. And I'm going to take that and again apply that underneath my eyes, on top of my mouth, the bridge of my nose. And this concealer is the ABH concealer in the shade 6. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out with my foundation brush. I'm going to set my concealer with a yellow powder, which I use the Huda Beauty yellow setting powder. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in this shade Mahogany to contour my nose, my cheeks, and also contour my forehead. I'm going to go back with my big fluffy foundation brush and just go over top of my contour. Sometimes the contour is a little bit too dark, so the foundation brush helps blend it into my skin. Now we are ready to do our eyeshadow. The first shade I'm taking is a burnt orange shade. It can be from whatever palette you want to use, but just make sure that it's burnt orange, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. I'm going to apply a little bit lighter orange shade into my crease, and I'm going to just do a little bit. I don't need too much of this color. Now I'm taking the burgundy shade in this palette, and I'm going to apply this again into my crease. So far, we had just built up the color in the crease. So we have a burnt orange shade, a little bit lighter orange shade, and then this burgundy shade. The last color that we're going to put in our crease is a matte black color. So any palette, just make sure that the color is matte black. Now we're going to go back with that ABH concealer in the shade 6, and we're going to apply that all over our lid. We're now going to do a cut crease. Over top of that concealer, we're going to use the copper shade, and we're going to apply that all on top of the lid where we put the concealer at. I'm going to add some blush. I'm taking the Ulta Beauty blush in the shade Majestic. Now we're going to go back in with that same shade that we put on our eyelid, and we're just going to apply it as highlighter. This is my favorite part of the video because these lashes are part of my lash line. It has not launched yet, but it will be launching soon. So make sure you guys have your notifications on because I will let you know when these lashes launch. But this is what they look like on and then off with no lashes. I'm going to finish off this look with a glittery lip gloss. You could use any glitter lip gloss. I'm using a glitter lip gloss from Bare Minerals. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe and see you later.